It's like, you think it's a migration?
I think we got to push.
There's birds there all the way. Yeah. This is half the hunt's watching this right here.
Here we go.
Out front. They don't know what to do. They're everywhere.
I got about 5 of them commit. You better hold on.
Dang, I ain't never seen it like this.
I ain't never. We're in the vortex.
It's raining ducks.
We are in the vortex. Here you go, here you go. Oh, you fuckers.
Get that on camera. I can't goddamn do nothing.
Shh, what's the language? This is Jeeves. Oh God. Oh, God. Shh, I can't quit looking.
Look at this.
Nope, nope.
Too many of them. I bucked that wild.
I don't even want to shoot.
Holy shit.
Brian, I don't even want to shoot.
Yeah.
What are you thinking?
Maybe we get a good group here.
Pintail. Boys, this is what you come to North Dakota for, even if you don't pull the trigger.
I've never seen anything like this. This is
You got this on video.
I got it all, baby.
the eye of the vortex.
If it ain't filming, I'm gonna crush this GoPro.
The eye of the vortex.
We're going to shoot in a minute.
Alright, time to shoot, boys.
If we can't get these forward.
Hen.
Yeah.
Hen.
I can't believe they don't sit down.
People may think we're crazy for not shooting, but
Yeah.
We got 4 days left.
I ain't ever seen nothing like it, boys.
That's the most I've ever seen at one time.
Yeah, talk to me.
Alright, next time we get one in here, we're gonna fight.
That's potholio over Talk to me, Susie. There's somebody over there. They can't even land. They're still coming.